In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in CapCut PC. If you want your video title, caption, or on-screen text to stand out more clearly against your background, changing the text color is one of the fastest and easiest ways to do it. CapCut PC makes this process very simple, and once you know where to look, you can update your text in just a few clicks. To begin, select the text you want to edit. You can do that in either of two easy ways. First, you can click directly on the text layer in your timeline, on the track where your text appears. If that feels more natural for your workflow, it's a quick and reliable option. You can also click the text box directly in the main preview window. Once the text is highlighted, you'll know it's selected and ready to be edited. This is an important first step because CapCut only shows the correct text controls when the text layer is actively selected. After that, move your attention over to the top right Properties panel. This is where your text settings are located. Make sure you are inside the Text tab and then check that you are viewing the Basic sub-tab. If you don't see the color controls right away, it usually means you're in a different section, so just switch back to Text and then Basic. That will bring up the styling options you need. Now you're ready to change the color. In the Style section, CapCut gives you a few different ways to do this. The quickest option is to click one of the pre-made color swatches. These are great if you want an instant change and don't need anything too specific. It's a fast way to test different looks and see what stands out best in your scene. If you want more control, click the color circle swatch next to the font size setting. This opens the full color picker, where you can choose a custom shade that better matches your design or branding. You can drag around the palette until you find the exact tone you want. There's also a very useful eyedropper tool. If you want your text color to match something already visible in your video, select the eyedropper and then click directly on your video preview. CapCut will sample that exact color from your shot, which is especially helpful if you want a polished and coordinated look. Once you've chosen your new color, your text updates immediately and you're all set. Done.